it felt so liberating because I realized that I was like making all my trump cards not to deliver this. But once I did it, now everyone is asking for more. I'm in it for more.
And towards the end of the session, two of them have contacted me and asked me to do some stuff in their organisation purely because they said, how did you get everyone to open up?
For me, it was my first ever Zoom session I have done. I have never taught anybody, or then I'm just a simple housemaker. And was like, how will I handle people? Will I be able to do things or not? I'm not that techno or very good at Zoom or things. But 87 people came and I had people from 6 to 7 time zones.
I had never been in front of the camera addressing people. So thank you so much for, kind of helping me get out of that hesitation, that inhibition. Now I know I can anytime switch on the camera and I can speak.
Because I was very excited, and this energy that I am putting, I cannot sleep after 2 hours, 3 hours, I cannot sleep. It was 1 a.m., but I cannot sleep after.
But it was like amazing journey. I've never done this, My first, you can say, as a professional friend or something, my first ever thing which I have done. So it feels so great, and I'm like, I slept like a baby on that day. And when I slept, I had that grin and smile. Oh my God, I did something.
It's such an amazing community, full of free spirits. And actually, I've seen many communities of coaches. I love this space where there is no ego. Everybody's there to just help.
What political boundaries, what religion, what caste, what creed we talk about. Look at this oneness of the spirit. Where else can we see it than this mad world? And I know we can radiate it and bring it out to the whole world. It's so important to show that we are all just one. That is the beauty. So immense gratitude for giving me so many experiences.
Now it's so liberating because once I did it, now I can do it like for several times. That was the magic.
Tears of joy. I'm about to cry.